There are 2.1 million Houstonians living in the greater Houston area, and we have about 22,000 employees working for the city of Houston. We serve 24 departments. In 2010, our new director came to the city, and his philosophy is, there's no obstacle he can't remove. And that's how we are driving change, not only in the Human Resources Department, but throughout the city of Houston, through our talent management strategy. We started driving change through the learning process. We then revamped our entire performance evaluation process, which is known as HERE, the Houston Employee Assessment and Review Process. The talent management project actually lines up directly with public safety in that we must ensure that all of our employees have the right tools to support their jobs. They are trained properly, make sure that we are the #1 employer for the city of Houston, which is why we were nominated this year as the best and brightest employer in the nation. Saba made it easy for us to centralize learning. We were able to turn it on, phase it out to our various departments. We did not have to deliver specialized training to our employees. They were able to go in, locate training, register for training. We set up our support model in case anybody had questions. For one of our citywide compliance training, workplace discrimination and harassment, we needed everybody in the city to take it. So Saba was able to allow us to deliver citywide training in less than 60 days, and it's a first for the city of Houston. 15,000 deliveries via web-based training, and 2,500 were delivered face-to-face. So this year in October, we're going to have our first ever compliance month, in which we can roll out a series of compliance web-based courses to get the entire city caught up on their compliance training. Performance is our next implementation. So in May, we have the Houston Airport system that's going to pilot our new performance process. The city of Houston had a 20-year-old performance evaluation process, and it wasn't working for the city of Houston because our employees were left feeling out of the loop because there was not effective communication between the employee and the manager. And we have now what we call the Houston Employee Assessment and Review Process. And that is the new process that we have been training our managers and supervisors on, and that's what we're incorporating into the performance management module in Saba. We wanted to integrate learning and performance on a unified platform. We wanted to give our managers and our employees the ability to track their progress notes throughout the year, so it wasn't done at the end of the performance review cycle. We're really looking forward to the goal alignment piece. So not only did we have SMART goal workshops for the rollout of our performance management system in Saba, but the SMART goal wizard helps to complement the SMART goal workshops that we've had for our managers and supervisors. We're also looking at the ability to see which goals are unaligned. So if a manager has completely skipped that step, we can reach out to that manager to see if that goal is actually a realistic goal. From an HR perspective, we have more insight as to what's going on within the departments and take the appropriate measures to apply remedies with those departments that are not in compliance. Mobile applications are huge for the city of Houston right now. We have 20% of our workforce without access to computers. And so for us, being able to empower them to be able to access our resources without having to come to a physical location is enabling them to continue their business with fewer interruptions. The cloud allows us to be more proactive and not so reactive. Previously, our network was very unstable, but now being in the cloud, we have a 99.9% network availability. And so for our users, when we're launching that compliance training, that reliability means a lot. Saba Support helps us resolve our issues without stopping the flow of our business. We also access Saba Community a lot to get best practices, to see what other people are doing. Saba helps us set the foundation to plan our long-term strategic goals and objectives and do it in the most efficient and effective way possible. And without their help, we wouldn't be able to do it.